Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to learn about solving simultaneous equations by substitution method. Let's look at this example. We have 3x plus 2y is equals to 12 and 7x plus 4y is equals to 26. Let's find the value of x and the value of y using substitution method. The first thing that we're supposed to do is to write either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. We can use any of the two equations. So let's use the first equation. We have 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. We are going to write either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Let's choose to write x in terms of y. So we're going to have 3x is equals to 12 minus 2y. We have just moved this 2y to this other side, and of course once it gets to the other side the sign changes to a negative. Then to find now the value of x, we're going to divide through by 3 and x becomes 4 minus 2 over 3y. So we have written x in terms of y. Once we have done that, we are now going to replace x in the other equation with 4 minus 2 over 3y. So the other equation is 7x plus 4y is equals to 26. Is equals to 26. So wherever we have x, we're going to replace it with 4 minus 2 over 3y. So we're going to have 7, and instead of writing x, we're going to write 4 minus 2 over 3y, and then plus 4y is equals to 26. So we then proceed to find the value of y. So let's open this bracket. We're going to have 28 minus, so when you multiply this, we're going to have 14 over 3y, and then plus 4y is equals to 26. So as you can see, we have a mixed or a fraction and whole numbers. To make our work easier, we're going to multiply through by 3. So let's multiply through by 3. We multiply by 3. We're going to multiply by 3 there, and by 3 there, and also by 3 there. So this is going to give us 84 minus, then this 3 will cancel out with that 3, and then we're going to have 14y plus 12y is equals to 26 times 3, which is going to be 78. Let me use a different color. Alright, so we then proceed to put like terms together. 78 and 84 will be put on one side, negative 14y and 12y will be put on one side. So let's move 78 to this other side so that we have 84 minus 78. Remember, we said that once it moves from one side of the equal sign to the other side, the sign changes. So 78 in this on this other side was a positive, but when it comes to this other side, it becomes a negative. So we're going to have 84 minus 78 is equals to 14y minus 12y. The same case, negative 14y becomes positive 14y, and then negative 12y becomes, or rather 12y becomes negative 12y. So this is going to be 6 is equals to 2y, and then we can now divide through by 2 so that our y becomes 3. So we have now found the value of y as 3. So what we then do is that we replace the value of y. So we're going to replace this value of y, that is 3, on this equation. Remember we wrote x in terms of y, so we're going to replace y with 3. So we're going to have x is equals to 4 minus 2 over 3. 2 over 3, let me write this 3 properly. 2 over 3 we multiply by the value of y, which is 3. So this 3 is going to cancel out with this 3, so that we have x is equals to 4 minus, let me write this, 4 minus 2, which is going to be 2. So the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3. So we have solved this simultaneous equation and we have found the value of x as 2 and the value of y as 3. So be sure to catch up with me in the next video as we look at more examples of solving simultaneous equations by substitution method.